And then how I can test this my Honda Civic car's cigarette light, that is this okay or not. Let's go to do that test. Okay, and this test happens so that I need my key and I have to turn on this my car's electricity in this way, and then we can look this cigarette light, this button, and I press that in, and then I have to wait about 10 to 20 seconds, and if this pull out and comes out, then it works well, and it must be also hot. Oh, it flies. Now this may be a little bit too heavy, and then we can see that this is hot also, but normally this should to be in inside. If this flies away, like in my case, then I have to purchase new part from Honda dealership. But now we notice that now this my cigarette light works, and we can test again, and now I can keep this in here, and this is now really, I can feel that it is hot, and now this our repair and test is fine. Thank you, my friend, for watching, and you have learned new things.